Ayun guys, ito na yung natapos nila ngayong araw.
Okay, mag-gym na naman tayo. Okay, mag-gym na naman tayo. Ang workout natin ngayong araw is back and biceps. Pero dadaan muna tayo dito sa pinapagawa ko. Tignan natin ang progress.
Ayun guys, ito na yung natapos nila ngayong araw. Nakapag-ukay na sila para sa poste. Yung poste pala nito is naka-ready hanggang 3rd floor. Kasi may mga plano pa ako dito hanggang 3rd floor. Kaya malalim yung hukay nitong pang poste. Ayun o. Tapos natanggal na rin nila yung puno dito. Hindi na siya makakasagabal sa ating shop. Ito yung day 2 ng pag-build ng ating shop. Solid. Konti na lang. Matatayo rin to. Inuumpisahan ko talaga lagi yung workout ko sa mga dynamic warm-ups. Tapos sinusunod ko rin agad itong dead hang. Sumasabit ako dito sa bars as much as I can hanggang hindi na kaya ng grip ko. Tapos ang unang workout na ginagawa ko is muscle up. Bago talaga ako mag-start ng back workout ko, I always make sure na magma-muscle up muna talaga ako. Hindi lang siya pang show off. For me, it's a way of reminding myself that strength starts with mastering your own body. Habang fresh pa ang katawan ko, mas napofocus ako sa explosive pull, proper technique at body control. At the same time, na-activate na rin ang lats, upper back, biceps, grip at core ko, preparing me for the heavy lifts ahead. Ang next workout naman na ginagawa ko is lat pull down. Dito ko talaga lagi inuumpisahan ang back workouts ko. Simple lang siya tignan, pero every repetition teaches you one thing: control. Hindi mo kailangan hilahin ng sobrang bilis. Let your back do the work. Every pull is another step toward building a stronger and wider back. Because real strength isn't about moving the weight. It's about controlling it. Every after set, naglalakad-lakad muna ako. It's my way of catching my breath, clearing my mind, and getting ready for the next lift. Kasi minsan, hindi lang muscles ang nare-recover natin, pati na rin yung mindset. Itong next workout ko naman is lat pull down din, pero different variation siya. Ang tawag dito is neutral grip lat pull down. Ang pinaka-target talaga nitong workout nito is this is lats or latissimus dorsi o kaya naman lats. Ito ang malaking muscle sa gilid ng likod na nagbibigay ng V-taper o mas malapad na likod. Para sa akin, pag meron ka talagang V-taper na back, is aesthetic na tignan yung katawan mo. At syempre, yung tindig mo is napakaangas din. Ang workout pala na to is ginagawa ko siya ng 3 sets, tapos 8 to 12 repetition lang. Etong next workout ko naman is single arm row machine. Dito, mas napofocus ko ang bawat side ng muscle ko sa likod, making sure na parehong lumalakas at walang naiiwan. It's not about pulling the heaviest weight. It's about building balance, strength, and control. At syempre, hindi mawawala dyan ang pagsabay natin sa mga kantang piniplay sa gym.
Sobrang diin.
Nung lumamig yung makapumalik, ayaw niya na sa'kin na umalis. Mas gusto niya na mahigpit, na pupunit na ang damit. Sobrang diin, halik sobrang diin. Iba din yung tig mo sa'kin. Hindi ko na alam, kaya mag-gym na lang ako. Etong next workout pala natin is gagamitin natin tong machine na to for bicep curls. Dito ko mas nafo-focus ang contraction ng biceps dahil stable ang movements at mas kaunti ang momentum. It's not about lifting the heaviest weight. It's about squeezing every repetition and making every set meaningful. At syempre, huwag kakalimutan na mag-flex every after set. Dapat yung madiin. Etong bicep curl is parang simple lang, pero it's one of the best exercises for building stronger and bigger arms. Every curl targets the biceps, helping improve strength, size, and control. Pumiyok pa. Hindi ko minamadali ang bawat repetition nito because it's not about swinging the weight. It's about making the biceps do the work. Tapos isang madiin na flex ulit. Etong next exercise naman natin is napaka-importante rin. Ito ang hammer curls. Unlike a regular curl, this exercise doesn't just build the biceps. It also targets the brachialis and forearms, helping your arms look thicker and stronger. Tulad ng bicep curls, hindi dapat to minamadali. Focus sa control because real growth happens when every quality repetition. At syempre, every workout ends with a pose. Hindi para magyabang, kundi para makita ang progress na pinaghirapan ko. Every flex helps me build better mind-muscle connection and reminds me how far I've become. Because the mirror doesn't just show my muscles, it shows my consistency. Sabi nga ni Arnold Schwarzenegger, the resistance that you fight physically in the gym and the resistance that you fight in life can only build a strong character. Kung gusto nyo masaksihan ang progress ko dito sa aking fitness journey at sa aking business ventures, hit the notification bell button, subscribe, at paki-like na rin ng video na to. Hanggang sa muli!